Hey everybody, how's it going? Now you may have had street vendor food in Mexico, but have you ever had under the highway pass food in Mexico? I doubt it. So let's go check it out. So a lot of these people are looking to work. They wait here until they get picked up to go work. Oh yeah, we're fine. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, ¿usted?
Good. What you got?
Oh, what is that over there? Yeah, please.
Hello.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Pastor,
Oh, okay.
chicharrón prensado
Oh, chicharrones.
y pollo con crema.
Oh, pollo con crema. Okay, yeah.
Tengo burro,
Yeah,
tengo tacos,
yeah.
tengo tortas,
Okay. What would you
lo
like?
que quiera.
Oh, ¿cuánto cuesta?
El burro 90 pesos.
90? 90?
Ajá, 90
Okay.
pesos.
You wanna...
Torta en 75 y los tacos en 35.
35.
Las quesadillas por
Oh, 35.
Y con queso en 45.
What do you want?
Can you open this? This
Al
is
pastor.
Is a beef or cerdo?
Cerdo.
Cerdo, okay. Pork.
I'll try. Can I get two?
Pollo.
Yeah.
I get this,
Pollo.
pollo,
Res.
and this.
Yeah.
Without
Una-
taco.
una.
Taco.
With ¿cuánto cuesta?
Burro.
35? 35?
Taco. No
Taco.
taco.
What?
Taco.
In the plate.
Oh, solo?
So,
Taco.
yeah.
Este le sale en...
I'm crying.
Este 90.
90?
90.
¿En 90? Okay, bueno. Oop, oop. Can I film?
Sí.
It's okay? It looks good.
Okay, photo.
Oh, it looks good, man. Alrighty.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chicken. Oh, man. Ooh.
Actually, we can share.
Yeah. Then you can go over there and get one too.
You can get it wherever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, man. Bueno. Yeah, sí.
Mucho. Nice.
Oh, man. What a deal.
You have salsa sauce?
Salsa.
Yeah, spicy.
Oh, you want spicy? Put it on the side.
Oh, that's good. You also have the red one? Rosa?
Roja?
Roja.
You have verde or roja?
Salsa. No,
Okay.
verde.
Yes,
No
oh,
problem.
verde.
Yeah.
I love it too. How do you say I like when?
Yo quiero mucho. Oh no, yo le gusta. Le gusta.
So, mucho.
Le gusta. Yeah. Oh, gracias. Yeah. I mean, are we paying the right amount? Is trabajando bueno?
Sí.
Good. See? I see. See? Good. Damn, they're hooking it up. Huh? No, you're not.
Thank you. I'll get that too, right?
Sí.
That's why I carried it.
No problem.
This is good.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, I tell you what. No. Para usted. Yeah. Gracias. Oh, yeah. Okay, gracias. We're gonna go over here now. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hello.
How are you, my friend?
Good. How are you?
Okay, my friend. Thank
Good.
you very much, Ray.
Hey, thank you. Well, that's good. That worked out. Okay, I've got the pork, the green and onion chopped up stuff, and I got the salsa, which is delicious. What do you got?
I got chicken. And I add a little bit, a lot of sauce in here.
I'm telling you, stuff is delicious. It was inexpensive. We paid 90 Mexican pesos, which is just a little over $4 for a heaping plate. Show them the plate, baby. Oh, well, they probably saw it on the film before. For a heaping plate of stuff. I gotta tell you, delicioso, baby. If we're not sick tomorrow, it's really gonna be delicioso. Right on.